Welcome back. This is a moment you won't forget, because today you're about to witness the Volcano Trike Camper 2025, a masterpiece that shook the entire automobile world. Standing tall on 3 wheels, this stunning camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a living dream. Its sleek, glossy black body, its breathtaking design, and the way it commands attention wherever it goes, everything about it is extraordinary. When the Volcano Trike Camper was first revealed in showrooms, people couldn't stop staring. It looked like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. But no, this was reality. And that reality was so beautiful, it was hard to believe. Let's talk about its features. Its aerodynamic shape cuts through the wind effortlessly, gliding on the road with unmatched smoothness. The LED headlamps in the front don't just light up the night, they make it look like a spaceship has landed. The bold and stylish front grille gives a strong futuristic vibe. And the indicators, they almost feel like they're communicating with you. Step inside, and the entire story changes. The interior of the Volcano Trike Camper feels like stepping into a VIP suite of a luxury hotel. Plush leather seats, a lavish sofa bed, and lighting that adjusts automatically based on your mood. It even has a smart mini kitchen and a hidden compact washroom, turning every journey into a royal experience. With touchscreen controls, you can manage everything: AC, lights, fans, curtains, entertainment, all at your fingertips. It comes fully loaded with wireless charging, USB ports, solar roof charging, and a rear camera assist system. The 3 fire grip tires hold the road like claws, and the shock absorber is so good that you won't even feel the bumps. This camper is made for those who don't just travel, they live the journey. The Volcano Trike Camper 2025 is not just a ride, it's a feeling, a status, a story. When people see it on the road, they click pictures, shoot videos, and silently wish it was theirs. And if you've watched this stunning ride today, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Unity Car right now, because we bring you the rides that make your heart race. Hit that bell icon, stay connected, and witness a new explosive video every single day, only on Unity Car.